Hi friends, welcome to this video guide on part 1 of careers in engineering and architecture for PCM cluster students. In this video, I will discuss career opportunities available in engineering and architecture, JEE mains and JEE advanced entrance test patterns. My name is Nagaraj Katil, a hobbyist career guide. I want to emphasize that India is one of the fastest developing economies. Hence, the information technology, telecommunications, engineering production, and infrastructure sectors will have the greatest potential for job creation and business growth. Look at these visuals. Do you know what kind of careers available in engineering, especially civil, architecture, and related fields? Well, an architect develops and designs structures for a variety of clients, including healthcare, sports facilities, and private residences. What about structural engineers? Structural engineers assist in the design of structures and infrastructure such as railroads, bridges, dams, and tunnels. How about town planner? A town planner shapes the development of towns, cities, while balancing social, economic, and environmental concerns. A builder works on construction sites or in existing structures, constructing everything from office buildings to factories, roadways, and bridges. Why not construction management career? Construction managers plan, coordinate, and supervise building projects. How about civil engineers? Civil engineers plan, manage a wide variety of engineering projects, including large and minor roads, bridges, pipelines, and buildings. Interior designers shape the look and feel of living and working areas in businesses and residences. Fine, this looks very interesting to me. Is it enough? In addition, what soft skills should I possess? Do you have a great communication and interpersonal skills, a decent artistic flair, and the ability to generate unique design concepts? Do you give attention to detail and you have a strong analytical ability? If yes, then you should enroll in one of these engineering courses. Here you have a second set of visuals. Are you aware of careers in mechanical and related domains? Let me go through some of those. Mechanical engineers design, develop, test, and repair machinery found in wide range of products from dishwashers to vehicles to power plants. What about robotics? A robotic engineer designs, constructs, and maintains robots for use in a wide range of industries from drilling, engineering to automobile and manufacturing. Do you want to go for automobile engineering? An automotive engineer creates motor vehicles, racing automobiles, and other specialized vehicles. How about chemical engineering? A chemical engineer creates technology that transforms raw materials into useful goods like paints, glues, fabrics, and plastics. New one is mechatronics engineer. A mechatronics engineer creates products by bridging mechanical, electrical, and computer components. Every object or device we use, from chair to the computer, has been shaped by a product designer. How about aerospace or aeronautics? An aerospace engineer designs, builds, and maintains a variety of aircraft and spacecraft, including passenger jets, military jets, satellites, and space vehicles. Okay, these domains seem interesting. Well, what other skills should I possess? Do you have an excellent analytical and problem-solving skills? Do you have the capacity to multitask? Do you have a creative and innovative mindset? If you have good communication skills and if you have the ability to work well in a team, then you should enroll in one of these engineering courses. Here is the third set of visuals. Do you know the careers or what is involved in electrical, electronics, and computers domains? Let me go through some of those. Nowadays, everyone wants to be a software engineer, right? A software engineer is responsible for the planning, design, development, testing, and maintenance of a wide range of software products. A system analyst works closely with users and programmers to identify potential problems in a computer system and network. A database administrator is someone who stores and organizes data in databases that recognize patterns in the data. A network engineer who creates and maintains the computer network that connects a large set of computers. What about web designing? Web designers take into account the aesthetics and usability of the website as well as its backend and makes it function very smoothly. How about cyber security? A cyber security analyst works to avoid security breaches by detecting and correcting security holes that are present in software code and system architecture. A game developer is involved in a variety of ways. He is involved in including the creation of an initial game design, writing code for it, creating audio and video files, animations, and so on. Why not a machine learning and artificial intelligence engineer? A machine learning engineer uses sophisticated programming, working with big data sets and algorithms to train artificial intelligence computers that can learn and apply what they have learned. An electrical engineer is responsible for the design, installation, maintenance of electrical systems and components such as street lighting, power generation equipments and networks, and also the consumer products manufacturing. What about telecommunication engineers? Telecommunications engineers work with a variety of data exchange and communication technologies such as telephones, radio, cable, or wireless broadband internet, fiber optics, and satellite-based systems. Coming to the electronics engineers, those who design and build electronic equipments for usage in a variety of industries ranging from telecommunications to manufacturing. Okay, you may be interested in some of these. Is that enough? What other soft skills you should possess? If you have a strong analytical and problem-solving skills, and if you have a creative and innovative approach to solving extremely complex problems, if you are a good team player, and if you have the ability to work with people from all over the world, if you pay attention to details and have the patience, then you should enroll in one of these engineering courses. After knowing what is involved in engineering and architecture career, now it is time to know how do I get there, right? Have you heard of NITs, National Institute of Technologies, and IIITs, Indian Institute of Information Technologies? Joint entrance examination, JEE main score is the basis to seek admission to undergraduate programs in these institutions. JEE mains qualification is necessary for admission to Bachelor of Engineering, Technology, or Architecture courses at IIITs, NITs, CFTI, and other technical colleges. Not just that, JEE mains score is also a qualifier for JEE advanced programs. You know, there are around 30 plus NITs. Some of those NITs are listed here in this slide. NIT Karnataka is in Surathkal, Mangalore. After IITs, NITs are the India's most sought after and prestigious autonomous engineering institutes. Also, there are about 25 IIITs. One is in Raichur of Karnataka. What courses are available at NITs? First column in this slide lists some of the most popular BTech programs at NITs, starting from architecture to pure sciences. You can pause the video and go through the list. Now, who can take up JEE mains exam? Students in the 12th PCM cluster can take up this JEE main engineering exam and architecture exams. The minimum criteria is 75% for general category and 65% for reservation category. Due to COVID pandemic, this minimum requirement was relaxed to pass class in 2021 and 2022. Post NEP 2020, you need to watch out for NTA notification to confirm the combination of the 12 subjects that are eligible for engineering, architecture, and planning courses. Do you know that JEE mains is conducted 4 times a year? That gives you a better chance of improving your score. This test is taken by around 10 lakh students across India for approximately 25,000 seats of engineering, architecture, and planning. Note that several NITs also offer Bachelor of Science, integrated BS/MS dual degree programs. In addition, MBA is through CAT exam, MCA is through NIMSET, MTech is through GATE exam, and also NITs offer PhD, the doctorate programs. Let us now look at the JEE mains exam format. Exams are held in online mode for both engineering, BTech plus dual degree and the architecture courses. Coming to the engineering section, there are 90 questions. 75 is to attempt for 300 marks and 3 hours to complete, with 30 questions each from physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Out of 30 questions, 20 are MCQs and 10 are numerical answer questions. Please note that there is negative marking for MCQs. Correct answers will give you 4 marks and wrong answer -1 mark. Moving to the architecture section, in architecture paper 2A, there will be a total of 82 questions for 400 marks and 3 hours duration, with 50 questions from aptitude, 30 questions from maths with 10 numerical questions, and 2 questions from drawing. Out of 10 numericals, you need to answer 5 questions. Each drawing question is worth 50 marks. MCQs have +4 and -1 marking scheme. No negative marking for numerical answer questions. Next one is planning section. In planning paper 2B, there will be a total of 105 questions for 400 marks and of 3 hours duration, with 50 questions from aptitude, 25 from planning, and 30 from mathematics. Out of 30 questions, 25 you need to answer in mathematics section. MCQs have +4 and -1 marking scheme. No negative marking for numerical answer questions. That was about JEE mains exam pattern and the participating colleges.
Almost all organizations rely on efficiently organized computer networks to accomplish day-to-day business. Computer network architects design those networks, and computer systems engineers run them. Computer network architects create plans and layouts for data communication networks, ranging from building small connections between 2 offices to accessing the vast networking capabilities of cloud computing that connects customers around the globe. Network architects develop a deep understanding of a business's plans in order to design networks that best suit their current and future needs. They analyze the organization's data traffic and work with chief technology officers and hardware engineers to predict future demand and determine where to build new networks. Computer systems engineers implement the network architect's designs and solve the complex problems involved in the day-to-day operations of networks. They frequently test systems operations, identify security risks, and research new products or processes that will improve system function.